Now, the next one, and this is a big one when it comes to qualifying for your next mortgage, and that's spousal support and child support. Now, we've got a couple different options when it comes to this: upfront payout versus ongoing support. And it's really, really important because every situation is unique on what's most important for you. Obviously, when we come to having assets, if you're selling a matrimonial home or going through a spousal payout, we want to make sure we have enough for that down payment to buy the next house. But the other thing that we need to understand is ongoing support. That's going to go towards your debt coverage ratios. And we need to make sure that we're balancing both of those between how much you're paying up front versus your ongoing support. And I've seen it work both ways, where it's helped both ways and really hurt both ways. Sometimes paying a lot up front where you get a big payout, but you have ongoing payments that you have to make, really, really doesn't help, because I've seen that spousal support or child support take up a good chunk of your debt coverage ratios. So you need to know exactly what's there. Now, spousal support, it's going to be applicable based on different factors like the length of the mortgage, income disparities, different things that happen there. Child support, there's kind of a table and guidelines that are factored. So each parent's income's factored, as well as custody arrangements that you have in place. One of the things you want to consult is that Ontario child support tables and spousal support advisory guidelines. There's a lot more accurate calculations that you can do on there, as well as negotiation. Make sure you're understanding, and if we've worked with both parties, sometimes the husband and the wife, confidentiality is key when we're doing this, but we want to understand what's going to happen and make sure that we're both set up for to win after, so you can both have home ownership.